Cameras, are you all still rolling? Are you okay? Cameras? All okay? Okay, down here first of all.
Waqar, you were expected to win tonight, but would you say you've met most of your objectives after some flawed performances despite victories over the last 3-4 games?
Well, there's always a room for improvement, I guess. I think we've done well, despite the rain, and we kept our cool. And I think the boys did extremely well, especially when we were fielding. We fielded well. We bowled well. Umar Gul was extraordinary today. He only picked up 3, but he bowled a lot better than that. And then when it comes to batting, I think we batted pretty sensibly, and here we are. We won the game. That's important.
वकार 2003 में आप कप्तान थे, पहले राउंड में बाहर हुए 2007, 2 वर्ल्ड कप के बाद आप अगले मरहले तक रसाई बहैसियत कोच कितना समझते हैं कि एक स्टेप जो है वो करीब हुए हैं, नॉकआउट मरहले तक आए हैं, किस तरह लुक फॉरवर्ड हैं अगले चैलेंजेस के लिए?
बड़ी प्लीजिंग बात है कि क्वालिफाई करना क्वार्टर फाइनल तक, बट जिस तरह की हमारी टीम थी, आई थिंक एक्सपेक्टेड था कि हम लोग क्वार्टर फाइनल तक जाएंगे. ये कहना कि पिछले 2 वर्ल्ड कप में हमने नहीं क्वालिफाई किया तो इसमें कर लिया तो वी हैव अचीव्ड अ लॉट, ये मेरे ख्याल में गलत होगा, बिकॉज once you get into the quarterfinals cricket, tab actually the real game starts then, I guess, because the nerve game will start and the pressure games tab pata chalega, I guess.
You know what I'm going to ask you now, Waqar. You know what I'm going to ask you now.
Half in English.
Yeah. If you could just paraphrase it just a little bit.
Yeah, look, the question was that have we achieved anything since we have qualified for the quarterfinal, because we didn't qualify, went to the next level in the last 2 World Cups. I think it is definitely achievement, but it's not such an achievement because it was expected, I would say, because Pakistan side, if you look at it, is a pretty good side. The pressure games will start after the quarterfinals. The most important game for us, I think, is the next one, because from there, when you jump into the quarterfinals, we need to get the momentum. We need to beat a bigger team to sort of go into the quarterfinal.
This is the first time, since 1999 semi-final, that your team has won a World Cup match while chasing. So how much do you think this win will give your boys a lot more confidence to chase totals?
Look, first of all, I didn't know that we never chased in the World Cup. It is an achievement, without a doubt. I think we played a lot more sensibly. I think there was, Asad Shafiq, I think, made a bit of difference, because he is very compact. He played very sensibly, and I think him in the next future, I think he's going to turn out to be one good cricketer for Pakistan. And I think with Yunus Khan, Misbah ul Haq, we got a pretty good base in the middle order, and I think that makes a big difference.
Osman?
Waqar, just about Umar Gul. You said once before he's a rhythm bowler. When his run-up is right, then he really kind of becomes almost unplayable. So have you worked on something in the last couple of matches? Because he's looked distinctly better in the last 2 matches here than he has maybe in the matches before this.
Look, when we talk about excuse me, Umar Gul, I think that a couple of things. One, whenever he gets hurt, and he comes back, and he comes back a real good bowler. And that's not only in this tournament. We have seen it in the past also. Whenever he gets hurt, whenever people start talking about his rhythm or thinking of dropping him, he really bounced back. He's a kind of a character also. And I think against Sri Lanka, he bowled well at times, but he bowled poorly at times. I think that really hurt him. And he worked tremendously hard in the nets, and when we especially bowl in the middle, in the mornings or afternoon of the matches, I think that makes a big difference.
وقار ہمیشہ سے یہی رہا ہے کہ جو کامیابی ہوتی ہے وہ جو غلطیاں ہوتی ہیں ان کے اوپر پردہ ڈالتی ہے. ابھی بھی آپ کے پرابلمس ہیں, آپ کی اوپننگ میں پرابلم ہے, افریدی سے بیٹنگ نہیں ہو رہی, آج آپ کو رن ریٹ بھی ریکوائرڈ تھی, وہ بھی آپ نے چیس نہیں کیا, اس کو کوشش نہیں اتنی زیادہ نہیں کی, میچ جیتنے کی زیادہ آپ نے کنسنٹریٹ کیا. تو کیا آپ سمجھتے ہیں کہ ان خامیوں پہ آپ 5 دن تک وہ قابو پاتے رہیں گے, ورلڈ کپ اوور نہیں ہو جائے گا؟
دیکھیں, اگر غلطیاں نہیں ہوں گی تو یہ کرکٹ چلے گی نہیں. کرکٹ میں غلطیاں ہوتی ہیں تو ٹیمیں ہارتی ہیں, اچھا کرتے ہیں تو ٹیمیں جیتتی ہیں. تو یہ ایک گیم کا حصہ ہے. ہم نے ڈیفینیٹلی غلطیاں کی, ہم اس کو بہتر کیا. کامران اکمل نے کیچ ڈراپ کیا, کامران اکمل کی کیپنگ کافی بہتر تھی اس میں. سو وی ڈیڈ ویل. آئی تھنک وی ڈن اے گڈ جاب ان دس. اینڈ جہاں تک رن ریٹ اور جہاں تک خامیاں ہیں, آف کورس میں نے شروع میں ہی یہ کہا تھا کہ ہمارے خامیاں تو ہوتی ہیں ہر ٹیم میں. کوئی بھی میرے خیال میں اس ورلڈ کپ میں ٹیم ہے جس کے پاس ویکنیسز نہیں ہیں. دے اسٹرانگ پوائنٹس, دے ویک پوائنٹس. تو جتنا اس کو کور کیا جائے میرے خیال میں اتنا اچھا ہے. تو جس میچ میں جو غلطیاں ہوں گی ہوپ فلی ان کو دہرایا نہیں جائے گا, اور کوشش کی جائے گی کہ جن کا خدشہ ہے اس کو وہ بھی نہ ہوں.
Waqar, there's at least a perception that there was real reluctance on the part of the team management to even make perhaps 1 or 2 changes to what is perceived as the winning combination. Take the example of Asad Shafiq. He's got a chance on the 5th game of the tournament. He wasn't really given a run at all in the first 3 games, despite 2 games being against minnows like Kenya and Canada. So do you really think that there are only perhaps 12 players that the team was actually banking on once they came in, since they were absolutely, it appears at least, that there was real reluctance to bring anyone in, since Afridi has mentioned it over and over again. There's a winning combination. There's a winning combination that he wants to work really well, and the others are perhaps just considered as reserve players only?
Look, the best way to go about in the big tournaments, I think, if you got a winning combination, carry on with it. Don't take any chance. I think that's his statement is right, because when you're winning, I think it's important to give people a confidence in going to the next game. When you lose, you probably look at the points. And the only game we lost in this was against New Zealand, and we saw that there probably needed a couple of changes, and we made it, and that's where we are. We played well today, and Shoaib Akhtar's change, and then Umar Akmal didn't play this game, so I think the youngster came in and he did really well. It's not that only 11 are here. There are 15. I mean, you see 2 changes have been done, so it's not that we're only gonna sort of stick to 11.
Waqar, over the past few games, the opening partnership that hasn't really worked out. I mean, an early wicket has kept busy, and you're kind of banking on the middle order to recover and build up a solid innings from that. Do you think that, especially going into the next game against Australia, if that early wicket falls, the Australians will obviously be able to pile on more pressure. Do you think that you'll be able to cope with that? Are you thinking of making any changes to the opening partnership?
Look, we're thinking to, build an opening partnership. That's the first point now. I mean, I hope it doesn't happen.